Your name is Windy Karpavage. That's right, Windy. It's not a nickname, and you're not a weatherman on some local TV station. You're a crab fisherman on the Chesapeake Bay, and you don't go where the breeze blows. You go to where the work is. You know the hot spots. You know the tricks of the trade. You know the drill. You've been at this for decades, and you're still loving it. Day after day, week after week, year after year, like the tides that ebb and flow through a rough, tempestuous sea. You are always there, reaping, sowing, harvesting the bounty of the bay. That's who you are. That's what you do, and nobody does it better. Your name is Windy Karpavage, and you don't go where the breeze blows. You go where the work is.